Welcome to C++ Beginner course, Lesson 1.2. What is C++? In the previous lesson, you learned what programming is and how computers follow instructions. Now it's time to focus on the language we'll be using throughout this course, C++. Before we write any code, it's important to understand what C++ actually is, why it exists, and why it's still one of the most important programming languages in the world. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what makes C++ special. This is a theory-based lesson designed for complete beginners. We want to give you the exact context you need before diving into syntax and writing your first real C++ code. Today, we will explore where C++ came from, why it is still widely used, how it differs from regular C, and why learning it builds incredibly strong programming fundamentals. So, what is C++? It is a general-purpose programming language used to build fast, efficient, and powerful software. It is famous for high performance, low-level control, flexibility, and reliability. C++ allows you to write programs that run extremely fast and interact closely with the computer's hardware. At the same time, it supports high-level features that make large applications easier to build. In simple terms, C++ gives you the power of a low-level language with the convenience of a high-level one. Let's look at a brief history. C++ was created by Bjarne Stroustrup in the early 1980s. His goal was to improve the C language by adding features that made programming safer and more expressive, without losing speed. Originally, C++ was called C with classes because it added object-oriented programming to C. Over time, it evolved into a full-featured language used worldwide. Today, C++ continues to evolve from C++11 to C++26, coming next, and C++29 already planned. Each version adds new features while keeping the core philosophy, power, performance, and control. C and C++ are closely related, but they serve different purposes. C is low level, minimalistic, very close to the hardware, and great for system programming. C++ includes everything C has, plus classes, objects, templates, stronger type safety, and better tools for building large applications. Think of C as a powerful engine, and C++ as that same engine with a full modern car built around it. You still get the raw speed, but with more comfort and features. C++ is considered one of the most powerful languages because it gives you control the memory, performance, hardware interaction, how data is stored, and how fast your program runs. Most modern languages hide these details from you. C++ exposes them, which is why it's used in places where performance truly matters. C++ also supports multiple programming styles like procedural, object-oriented, and generic programming. This flexibility makes C++ suitable for almost any type of software. Because of this power, C++ is everywhere, even in places you might not expect. It powers game engines like Unreal Engine, operating systems like Windows, and browsers like Chrome and Firefox. It is inside embedded systems in cars, medical devices, high-frequency trading systems, robotics, real-time simulations, and heavy video editing software. If something needs to be fast, efficient, or close to the hardware, C++ is usually involved. Learning C++ gives you a deep understanding of how computers work under the hood. It teaches you how memory works, how data is stored, and how to think like a real programmer. Once you understand C++, learning other languages like Java, C Sharp, or Python becomes much easier because they all share concepts that C++ teaches at a deeper level. It also opens doors to incredibly lucrative careers in game development, systems engineering, finance, and robotics. It is a skill that stays valuable for decades. Let's recap what you learned today. C++ is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It was created as an extension of C, combining low-level control with high-level features, and it dominates performance-critical industries. By mastering it, you are building a strong programming foundation. Another lesson completed. Well done, your consistency is what builds real programming skill. Thanks for being here and thank you for subscribing. I appreciate every bit of your support.